So you definitely take things for granted when you're living in an apartment versus a van. Running water, shower, pooter, a pisser. You don't realize how much you pee at night and how quickly those bottles fill up. And then you have to find a place to dump, which is pretty much public bathrooms. I'll bring stuff in there. Washing dishes is tough. I have my sink, but I don't want to put food down there in the drain. So I'll just rinse stuff out. If we're near a public bathroom in a park, I'll go in there and rinse stuff out, or just use a lot of Clorox wipes. And that'll get expensive. But this is part of the learning. And if you guys have tips, I would appreciate what you guys do. So this is the Hollywood Riviera, or Redondo Riviera, or whatever you want to call it.
Right.
Headed over to Trader Joe's to get some lunch. So the best thing about this is being out here in the day, enjoying the sun and the beach, and just relaxing, sometimes being able to take a nap. But I think so far the worst part for this experience for me and the wife is nighttime. It's rough at night trying to find a spot and be stealth in something that looks like what I'm in now. If I had the van with a low top, maybe it would have been a little more stealthy, but now we have a high top, and obviously people are probably walking by knowing that we're in there. We haven't gotten any knocks, but we know the neighbors are walking around, and they're probably wondering, who are these people in our neighborhood sleeping on our sidewalks? So the nights are kind of stressful and got a little bit of anxiety. Here's Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go grab some sandwiches and go from there.
It was really nice. I'm glad I went.
Huh. He's being safe. Be right back. Just got me a sandwich and a salad because I'm a health nut. And what were we talking about? Showers.
I think like the process of like building something like that.
Showers. I had a comment posted on one of my last videos about going to Planet Fitness to take showers, and that's what we did. We looked up some van life channels, and it was between Planet Fitness and Anytime Fitness. Planet Fitness seemed to have more locations, and we are planning to travel pretty much everywhere, so the $10 a month didn't apply to me, and it ended up being $25 $24 a month, or 25, 26, 27, something like that, and then a $50 annual fee. And what we ended up getting was the Planet Fitness Black Card membership over the no commission membership, or the something or other. It was another one. And those were the $10 options. I forget the name. Okay. No commitment and classic. So we opted for the third option, which was the Black Card membership, which gave you access to all the facilities in every Planet Fitness around the world. And with that, you can bring one guest every single time. So we just got one membership because I will be the guest and my wife will be the member. So whenever she wants to shower, she goes in there, hits the invite button, and then I go in there and I get a shower. So it's basically two memberships in one. And I think that's the best option. So showers are taken care of, and you kind of need that stuff up there. Oh, I'm gonna cut this one short here. If you guys have any questions of that I didn't go over, any topics that I didn't hit, leave them in the comments and I'll talk about them. There's a lot of stuff. I mean, this isn't easy. This is hard. This is for real. Like, no storage, no place to go back to. We jumped without a net. It's crazier to sit in an apartment that you hate and pay over $2,000 a month for, to live over and over doing the same thing. So I had to get out. So we jumped, and this is where we are now. There's good and bad.